Let's look at a little geometry, some shapes. The first shape here is a cylinder. So a cylinder has two circles. There's one circle, there's two circles, and then it's got a side that loops around. So one complete loop that attaches the two circles. So that's a cylinder. That would be like a can, right? It would be an example. Now if we look at a triangle, this one is a triangle. Tri means three, and guess what? Three angles. We don't have to put the S on there, but triangles have three angles. Here's one angle, here's two angle, here's three angles, and they're all attached. So when we say triangle, that's what we're talking about. That would be kind of like a roof. You know, if you look on a roof of a house, if I put the rest right here, here's my house, there's a triangle. If we look at a cone, here's a cone. A cone is got one circle at the bottom or a top if I were to flip this around or whatever direction we want. Then the circle is attached to a point. So it comes to a point. So all this, if I were to shade this in, would be attached and be a circle like an ice cream cone all the way around. So it's kind of closed all the way up to the point. That's a cone. And then of course a square. A square has equal sides, so all the sides are equal. So that makes it nice and easy. Now we could make it a three-dimensional object and we can say, what about if we had squares that were all hooked together? If I had this is the same as this is the same as this is the same, and if I really get fancy, I can come over here and I'd say this one's the same. But also, whoops, not a very good line there. This is the same and this is the same. This then would be called a cube. A cube is made up of all the same sides. So this is a side, this side, this side. How many sides does it have? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like dice. So if I were to put some dots here, like this, we could say that's a number 4, there's a 1, and so on. There's make it some dice. So there's some geometric shapes.